In this quick video, we focus on our life sciences and routine series. The well-known BA series are professional upright microscopes recognized for their upgradability and designed for intense use in universities and labs. The award-winning Panthera series offers innovative, automated light management and a seamless, computer-free digital microscopy experience to streamline your workflow. Flexible stereo microscope series for basic microscopical work and advanced research in biomedicine and material science. The AE series inverted microscopes, ideal for routine microbiology, provide exceptional image quality for inspecting diverse cell culture samples. Unlock the power of digital microscopy with the Moticam range, unmatched adaptability, ease of use, and versatility to view, capture, edit, and share your samples in many different devices. For an in-depth look at the various focus on life sciences and routine models, be sure to watch the extended video.